Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Okayychxls. Today I have another quick little video for you guys. I'm really excited about it, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Alright, so yes, okay, so guys, I told y'all a couple videos ago that I'm really excited. I kind of really want to get into just like a little bit of makeup, dabble here and there. I don't want to get too deep into it, but I wouldn't mind doing a couple of cute things because this is how I look without anything on my face. But anyways, we'll get back to that part. So I decided to sign up for that little monthly subscription that gives you makeup stuff, skincare, called IPSY, IPSY. Okay, so I got the app. I filled out the little quiz and everything like that, and then I paid for my 1 month of the subscription so I could see what I was going to get in that first the first bag. And guess what, guys? It finally came in. This is January's bag, and I'm really excited. It came in this cute little package, little bubble mailer. So discover yourself. That is the cutest thing ever. Oh my God. Okay, so just so you know, IPSY basically is a monthly subscription box or bag that provides beauty products, beauty tools, skincare, hair care, and stuff like that for a monthly subscription set price. You get one bag each month with I think 3 to 5 products. So the Glam Bag X is 7 to 8 full-size products curated by beauty's biggest celebs, worth up to $350, and that's every 3 months. So that's the one that you get quarterly. Glam Bag Plus is where you get the Glam Bag, and then you receive 5 full-size products every month for $28. The one that I got is just the Glam Bag because I wanted to test it out and see if I was going to like it and whatnot. And that one is 3 to 5 products, sample size and full size. And then because I signed up for the month of January, which I guess is the new month of this year, whatever, for that, I actually got a free gift. So we're gonna dive right in. Okay, so like I said, came in this really cute pack. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so here's the bag. This is the bag. That's really adorable. Okay, and then inside the bag, it's got all of the products that came with my bag subscription, and I can tell you exactly what I got. So first, we've got this here. Let's see what this is. Well, maybe. Oh, Lovecraft Beauty Glare Gloss in Dream Pop. So it's a nice, cute little lip gloss. What else did we get in here? I also got Black Tea Peeling Gel by Herb, mild black tea. That's really nice. Supposedly this is really good for people who have dry combination skin, and when you kind of get those little flaky spots on your skin in the winter and stuff like this, it's supposed to help with that. So I'm gonna be honest, it's kind of small. Feels a little empty. I'm really excited. It looks cool. Like I said, though, it's kind of, I guess since it's a sample size, I don't know. Might have to get the bigger version, or I might have to get the Glam Bag X because, anyways, just pulled out also. I don't know if you can see with this damn light. This is the Professional Benefit Cosmetics Professional Light Primer. It's so tiny. I'm trying to figure out what in the world. My nail is longer than this. What am my? It's so cute though. That's cute. It's very tiny. Very tiny. And then we also got this cute thing here. And this is the Shades by Shan, San Francisco, California. And it looks like it's a bronzer. Yeah, it's a bronzer and it's in truffle. Ooh, truffle. Can you picture it on me? cute. Okay, very cute. Very cute. It's a cute little cheat sheet. How adorable is that? Thanks, IPSY. You know, some of us people who don't have no clue, we needed that little cheat sheet. Okay. I don't know why it's not in the bag, but this is also what I got. Came in my box. I mean, my bag. It is the Belle en Argent, the Sidekick Precise Shadow Brush. Y'all ain't never seen me do no eyeshadow because I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn. Also, they give you options to do add-ons. You can pay like $2 here, $3 there, $5 there, depending on what the add-on is. I did add on 3 items, and then I also got a free gift. So the 3 items I actually added on, one is the Tatcha. I'm probably saying wrong. All you makeup girls, let me know because I don't know. Tatcha, and it's the Deep Cleanse Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. So I want to try this out. I bought this, I think I got this size. It was like $2.50 to add on. And then I also got the Sun Kissed Glow Highlighter in Maldives. Ooh, it sounds fancy. And that's by IPSY Beauty. If it's Ibby, sorry. I'm going to go by IPSY because I don't want to sound wrong. Okay. Box, cute box. Ooh, it's so cute. All this little stuff is just, oh my God. This is to die for, y'all. Look how tiny it is. It's so adorable. Oh, and look how pretty it is. It's shimmering. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. Oh. I gotta learn how to do makeup now because seriously, I need to use all this. And I will update you guys on everything that I do use and how I like it. And if I don't like it, whatever the case may be, I'm going to tell you. And I paid, this one was $3. This was a $3 add-on. And then I also got the Pureless Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40. It's got the, whatever that word is, plus collagen and vitamin C. Okay. Okay, and I paid $2 for this add-on. Somebody tell me what I do with it. I don't know. I'm new to this. I don't know. I need some help. Okay, I need some help. I need some help. Calling help. And then my free gift that I got, which like I said, I don't do, but it's okay. It is the Clean Beauty in green packaging, the Balm and the Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm going to learn how to do eyeshadow just because I want to use this palette. Because what in the hell is this? This is the cutest thing though. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I've never seen anything like this related to makeup. So I think this is kind of interesting how their packaging. It's got some little thing there. And then, boom, baby. That's cool, right? And they all got their own color, of course. So we got name, cut, green screen, autograph, makeup artist, roll credits, red carpet, chick flick, and cliffhanger. That's pretty cool. And yes, I will be trying them all when I start testing out eyeshadow. And I will be using my new eyeshadow brush. So excited! Just wanted to show you guys some quick items that I got. I thought it was really cool. I can't wait for February's box. They've already sent out an email telling us that we can see a spoiler in like a couple of days. And I'm like, okay, well, can y'all just hurry up? Because I'm ready to see now. Like, I want to try all this stuff out. I'm so excited, especially about some of the makeup items. Because like I said, I don't know what to do with this, okay? And then, like, is this my foundation? Or do I use this under the foundation? Do I use it on top of it? I'm just confused. I think the only thing that I honestly know how to use, that's not even it either. The lip gloss. I think that's it. Y'all don't judge me, okay? Like I said, I'm not a makeup person, but like I said, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna get into it and I'm gonna see how well I do. So I'm gonna put everything in this cute little pouch because it fits perfectly. And that's it. That's everything that just came in there. Everything fit in there except this. But but that was my free gift, so it wasn't even supposed to fit in here. Look at this. 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 So yes, thank you guys for joining me for today's quick little unboxing video. I thought that was really cool. I really like IPSY so far. Again, I'm going to try everything out, let you guys know how I liked each product that I use, and then I will be back next month with February's bag. And we'll go through that together as well. All right, so just remember to like, comment, subscribe the video. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just want to let me know what you think, or hey, if you know what some of these things do, tell me. I want to know because I don't know. I need help. Help me. God, Jesus Christ, is that for the primer? Anyway, okay, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell in the corner so that you are notified when I drop new videos every week. Yeah. Till next time.